May pips be upon you. Hey, what's going on, my favorite pepples? I hope that you had a great weekend. Hey, look, we're going to get right into this. I just put out a pretty good USD CAD trade. I'll review it here quickly in the beginning because uh, I didn't put it out for the trading view community, but I want to talk to you about it real quick. What it is I am, my bias is short to the short side, right? On this, I am bearish in USD CAD. Is there any reason to think otherwise? Yes or no? All right. If you said yes, then you need to go hit some scratch offs or something. Okay. So what I'm looking for is a good short setup, and that's not here. Look at these stochastics. My oscillator. I'm waiting for the oscillator to be up here in uh, uh, the overbought area, and then coordinate that with what price. Where the level of their price might be at, right? Which would be better at the top of this range at the very least, all right? But what I saw was, all right, so really I'm looking for a short to either hit. Let me get this out of here, man. This is driving me crazy. I'm looking for price to come up here, here, or here. All right. If it comes up to this area I have blocked out, which is the 618 golden ratio, all the better. Then we could take price all the way down to Chinatown. But if it stops at the 382 or the 50, that's fine. All I need to see are my confirmations at these levels, which are bearish price action. I need to see that bearish engulfer after some rejections. Okay, I need to see that bearish engulfer or the bearish momentum candle. But there's a lot of pips in between here and here. All right, a lot of pips to get. Why not profit along the way? That's why I proposed for those that are interested in taking the counter trend trade, an intraday counter trend trade, because I'm looking for swings. Then I suggested they look at this one here, and I was saying it because look where the stochastic is. We are oversold here. We are already oversold. We're at the bottom of this range, which it has failed to break. It's found support here. You see the top of the range here where it has tested multiple times, and we can take a bunch of trades. We can get at least 80 to this point. All right. But I'm thinking price should be going up to the 382 and maybe beyond that. So we're looking at maybe 200 pips, 150, 200 pips. We'll see. But that is what I put out there for my subscribers, and there is more. Wait, there's more. Let's go to USD yen. All right, similar situation. Let's go to the daily. All right, what am I looking for? Well, this one's a little different because you see it's been in a downtrend, right? So we should be looking for shorts, right? Wrong. All right, I got I got it here. We've been in an uptrend since the 4th of January of this year. I'm looking for more movement to the upside. All right, I am long in this pair, USD against the yen. Right at this very moment, the yen is stronger. All right, but that of course that's subject to change, and I'm looking for more USD strength against the yen. And you can see that we've been in this ascending channel here with touches here, touches there, touches there, touch there. All right, two on each side. So I'm looking for a third touch at the very least, right? And this looks like a healthy and a respected area. We got a weekly area of what was once uh, uh, support resistance here, and now again is serving as resistance. When we came by looking for support, we found a little support here, and then it came back up and we tested it as resistance. And now we are now rejecting from this zone. All right. And that's a good thing. All right. But it did not reach the top of the channel. Let's make a note of that. All right. So I keep doing this. So I made a note of that. All right. So what does that mean? Does that mean that we're getting weaker going up? Could be. But what you want to see is on the 4-hour, where price is right now. We are in the middle of this range. We are hitting the midpoint of this channel, right? That's interesting. All right. Also, when I put the Fibonacci's, my notches on here, going from the swing low to the swing high, all right, we're looking to measure the correction. This impulse has to be corrected, and that's what this correction is. We came down to the 50. That is where we find support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we done tapped it a couple of times, and look at the stochastics. Where are we? Again, we are over. Doggone it! I keep doing this. We are oversold. All right, this is a good place to get in on a intraday, long. You can get in, you can buy it and take it to where we need to go. All right, am I looking for shorts or am I looking for longs? I'm looking for longs, but we are already at the place where we would want to be. We need, though, and I'm going to blow this up, we need that blue line to cross the red line to the upside. So it's best to hang and be patient for a proper setup. And what would that be? I'm going to tell you right now. What you need, because we're finding support here. If you got in now, this would be aggressive in my view. All right, because we don't have confirmation that price is turning hard bullish. All right, we don't have that confirmation yet. If it breaks the top of this bearish candle, if it breaks the top, we get a break above here, hey, it's all good. All right, that is a momentum candle at that point, and I would be looking for more follow through to the upside, and that would be a great place to take a trade. This is where I would take it, and I would have my limit here. All right, and my TP, excuse me, there, and that is a worthwhile trade to me because it is, it's about 85 pips, which is worthwhile in my view. All right, I prefer 100 and above, more like 150, but 100 above is best. And but you get close to 100, hey man, and it looks like it should go that way. I'm looking for a price, make a little W here, and then come up, retest the neckline of that W, and then continue up. That's what I'm looking for. So that's the setup, and I think that's why I have that's why I will put it as a red item. Okay, I got this one green because I'm actually trying to get that right now. All right, let's go to USD Swiss. All right, USD Swiss. We have an interesting situation here. Okay, because this is a descending channel. All right, we have touches here, touches there, touches here, touches there. All right, maybe you want to consider that as a touch. You can, I guess. All right, we did have a deviation down here, but then it came back into the trading range. Okay, where are we at? Midpoint of the doggone channel, just like on its sister. Right. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a short. Why? Because look at how the range has been. All right, it's been very sideways, and then we started heading down. All right, that's why I like this. That's why I like this for a short. All right, my bias is short here. I like the fact that we had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we broke that higher low. All right, but what don't we have? What is missing? What is missing is the retest of that higher low, and then the continuation of the new trend with the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. That's why that circle is there, and I'm waiting for the stochastics to come up there as well. However, just like in the sisters, hey, there's a lot of pips between here and there. All right, why not take it? You know, are we going to? Do I expect price just to keep chopping its way down to the other side? No, I don't. I'm expecting a pullback. This is an impulse. This is the correction. This is an impulse. Now look at this. Does this look impulsive to you, or does it look corrective? Which one? When it gets a little choppy like that, that's when it starts looking corrective. But this is an impulse, in my view, folks. After hitting this, finding this resistance at this diagonal resistance level of this this channel. So I'm waiting for price to come on up here, get me in that short, so I can take it down to Chinatown. But while I'm waiting, hey, I'm waiting for price to set up. If it gives me that W down here, just like I'm waiting on its cousin or its sister or whatever you want to call it. All right. I'm waiting for that W, come back, test the neckline here, and then continue up, just like in what was it? USDJPY. Okay. So that's my setup here. I'm looking for, if you want this, I'm looking for the short. But if you want this long, there's plenty of pips to get here. This is a good intraday trade. And if and this is my entry criteria. All right, I'll be waiting for price to break this high. Yep. All right. Now, if I get if I that's the safest entry. If price comes down here, gives me my, I did this again, gives me my rejection wicks, my little dojis, and then gives me a bullish, a nice strong bullish candle like that. All right, I'm taking the very next trade, the very next candle, and I'm going to ride it up and get the available pips. This will be about, that's about 200 pips. You know, if it gets up this high, even if it gets just to 382, that's over 100 pips, and that's good enough for me. All right, I like this setup. All right, just waiting for the bullish price action. Make sure that they confirm that this is support and it's not going to go any further down. And when it breaks above that neckline with a closed candle on the 4 hour, I'm looking on the daily right now. But we need to see that. We need to see a daily close, which is the best confirmation. But if we see it on the 4 hour, if we see, if we can see, I don't like this reversal here. That's what I'm afraid of. That price would come down here, give the rejection wicks, give me my bullish uh, uh, momentum candle up to here, and then I get involved, and then it turns around here because it finds this rejection at this level. I don't think that'll happen though. I don't think this is strong enough to turn price around, because I believe this is a correction and it still needs to pull back. So I'm waiting for confirmation when it gets up here for a safe entry. You want to be aggressive, you can get in down here. You can get in down here if you want to. All right. I'm looking for some confirmation. This level here, I need price to reject down here, find rejection, and then break above this level. You understand? I hope that's clear. I want to see a candle like that. All right. Breaking this level here. Breaking this level here. That's not straight. Breaking this level here. All right. Strong. And then I'll get involved, because I think it goes from here. All right. That's it. If you like what I just put out, if you like what I do, give the like. All right, just give the like, just click on that like button, right? And you don't have to smash it, just click it. All right. And if you support if you support what I'm doing and you want to support the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the updates. I got updates coming like this one. You don't want to miss those. If you subscribe and hit that notification bell, you'll never miss them. All right. I'm out of here. I will see you in the next video. Hey, trade safe.